In this video, I will discuss what is typecasting and how to typecast from string to integer and from integer to string. Typecasting is nothing but converting the data from one data type to the another type. In the first example, you can see here, we are converting the string data type to the integer data type. And in the second example, we are converting the integer data type value to the string data type value. Let's look at an example for the typecasting in Python. Here I will create a new Python file as 04 typecasting.py. Here I'm creating two variables. First one is string type. Let's give us some name here. Then second variable is integer type. Let's assign some random number here. I want to print the output as John followed by age. Here I will use the print function and then I will pass the name variable. By using a plus symbol, you can combine the two values. So let's pass the age here. So this will print the name followed by age. But this particular print function will throw the error because name is a string type, age is a integer type. So let's quickly run the Python program. It should throw the error. I will use the terminal to run this Python program. And if you see here, throwing the type error, can only concatenate str to str, right? The name is a string type, but our age is a integer type. So that's the reason typecasting is very important. We will convert our age integer variable value to the string variable value by using str. In the brackets, you can pass the integer value. So this will convert the integer value to the string value. If I run the same program once again, we should be able to print the output as John followed by age. So let's print a space in between by using double quotes and space, and here you can simply pass the plus. So this plus will combine the given strings. Let's quickly run the Python program. So this time we should be able to print the output as John space 30. And if you see here output, so we are able to print the name followed by age. So this is how we can convert the any integer value to the string value. Now we will see how to convert the string to the integer type. Here I am adding another variable called age2 and I will specify the 20 value in the string in the single quotation. You can specify it in the double quotation also. That will also consider as a string in Python. Now I want to add these two ages, right? But if I try to add it by using a plus symbol similar to line number 5, so I will get an error because this is the integer type and this is the string type. So let's write a print function here. Then I will pass the age plus age2. So if I run this Python program, I will get the error in the line number 7. So let's quickly run this program. And if you see here, so we are getting the error. So it is saying unsupported operand type, integer and string. So we have to convert this age2 to the integer type so that we can add these two ages. And line number 7 will print the 50 as a age. It is very simple, similar to the how we are converting the integer type to the string. In the similar way, you can convert string to the integer type. So simply you can add int, and inside that you can pass the string variable. So if I run the program, so this line number 7 should print me the output as 50. And if you see the output here, so we are able to print the 50 here. And before that you can see the name and followed by age also. So this is how you can convert the string to the integer type in Python.